Oh, Josh, come here. Come help me. Come help me.
What's up, dude?
Help me hang these ornaments?
Yeah, no.
Dude, hey, come on. My mom's gonna be here in an hour. I gotta get this done. Just please help me.
Okay, fine.
Great, here you go.
What is this?
It's a Christmas sweater.
Yeah, no, I'm out, dude. I'm out.
If you don't help me, I'm calling your girlfriend and telling her about Nick's bachelor party. Hey, there's a bare spot. Can you hang an ornament there?
Sure.
Take it off.
Said hang an ornament.
Take it off.
No.
Fine, I'll take it off. Take it off. Oh, take it off. This is really good.
It's because I cooked the sandwiches in the bacon grease.
Oh.
Uh-oh, Phil. Looks like you're into the mistletoe.
Josh, please come back and help. I'm sorry I hit you with a bat.
No way, dude. You're just gonna hit me again.
No, I won't, I promise. I'm putting the bat down.
Okay, but you can't use that bachelor party excuse anymore. Anyone would have thought that was a girl.
Fair enough.
Hey, you know what's on TV tonight?
No, what?
Oh! Nutcracker.
Oh.
Truce, right? Hey, anyone.
Yeah, anybody. Totally.
Right?
Yeah.
Anyone.
Yeah. Couldn't see your balls at all. See, that wasn't so bad.
No, it really wasn't. What's this?
Christmas carols. Told them we'd sing them like when we were kids.
No fucking way. No fucking way. Hey, Phil.
Huh?
Hello, love.